How to change the graphics in Dark Souls Remastered. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to change and optimize the graphic settings in Dark Souls Remastered. Whether you want smoother performance or sharper visuals, I'll show you exactly what to do step by step. Let's get started. Part 1. Basic in-game graphic settings. 1. Launch the game. Once you're in the main menu, go to System Settings. It's a gear icon. 2. Navigate to the Graphics tab. Here, you'll find key options like Resolution, set it to match your monitor, Display Mode, choose full screen to best performance, Anti-aliasing, you can turn it on for smoother edges or off for higher FPS, Texture Quality, high for better visuals or low if your system struggles, Motion Blur and Depth of Field, turn this off if you want a clearer image or better performance. 3. Apply your changes. Hit apply and restart the game if it asks. Part 2. Advanced graphics with reshade. Now, for some extra visual upgrades using reshade. 1. Go to reshade.me and download the installer. Open it and select your game, Dark Souls Exe. Choose the Rendering API Direct 3D 1011. Pick the effect you want, like sharpening, bloom, or ambient occlusion. Launch the game, press Home to open Reshade and toggle effects in real time. Just a heads up, only use Reshade in offline mode to stay safe from bans. And that's it. Now you know how to tweak your graphics in Dark Souls, both with in-game settings and enhanced effects using Reshade. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.